No, no, no. Hell no. Hell to the no, no, no. Hell no. Alright, yeah, so I'm about to do something right. I'm gonna try to see if it's possible to book a load at freaking, what time is it? It is 8:22. I'm trying to see if it's possible to book a load at 8:22 real quick, right? Sure, I don't want to pick nothing stupid. Alright, you know what? He's a load, right? Posted 2 hours ago, right? Cleveland, Ohio, going to Laredo, 41,600 pounds. What's the deadhead? Oh, 19 mile deadhead. That's it. All right, cool. So let's call. I'm gonna call. Let's see if these people out here hustling like we do. I'll take it off speaker.
We're calling Landstar VAK Agency. This is a 24-hour agency. If you know the extension number of your party, please press 1.
We know the extension.
If you do not know your party's extension, please press 2 for a dial by name directory. You may press 0 at any time to reach a representative. Thank you for calling Landstar VAK Agency.
Yeah. Let's see what's going on. We're about to see if we can book a load. I think I'm out. Yes, ma'am. Hey, how you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Hey, ma'am, I noticed you guys got a load going from Matagorda, Ohio to Laredo, Texas.
Let me see. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I'll have to get you with Landon for that one. He's the one that has that one. He is on the phone right now, so I'm just going to put you on hold for a minute so we don't get cut off, and then I'll get you right over with it, okay?
Right. But before you do that, let me ask you a question. I just now noticed it's a team. Is it like a street team, or is it like...
Is it a what? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I just now noticed that it says it's a team load. So, is it for sure a team load?
Yeah, it'll have to be a team.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
All right, bye. All right, so that didn't work out. Well, at least now we know they are at 24 hours. Cleveland, Wisconsin. I don't know if I want that one. I definitely need something going freaking south, y'all, because look, man, I just had a really crazy experience coming from, good Lord, what the hell is this? Y'all see that dashboard? So when I was driving over here, there was a freaking, there was a hot shot in front of me. This guy was literally losing diesel as he was driving, man, spraying it on me. He was, as y'all can see that right there, he got all up on my windshield. He was a hot shot hauling cars. I think the extra component. You know how hot shot driver have an extra little thing in the back on the stick bed or whatever with extra fuel? Yeah, that was leaking. I tried to tell him on the CB, but obviously he didn't have a CB. And I tried to wave him down. He just thought I was stupid. All right, so let's see what else. What can we get out of here? Evelyn, Ohio. It obviously got to make money. And to me, if it makes money, it makes sense. So I'm just trying to see if it's possible to get a load out. It goes something to Baytown, 14,000. Let's see. I just want to know if you can actually get a hold of anybody out here. I freaking
This call is being recorded. If you do not wish to be recorded, please disconnect at this time. Please hold while I try to connect you.
About to see, boy. About to see. We about to see. This one probably not gonna answer, to be honest. So 1,300 miles.
Hi, you've reached Genevieve with Landstar JDU Agency. I'm sorry that I missed your...
That's a no-go. They are home sleeping. They ain't trying to get his money. They are home sleeping. Okay, so on to the next. Moving on to the next. What else we got here? What else we got here, y'all? I definitely don't want to go to no damn Idaho. I don't want to go to Houston either, because I just came from Houston. See, the thing is, when you're trying to stay away from home, you can't be going back home. You cannot be going anywhere around home, because then you start justifying, oh, well, I'm already here. I'm going to take my 10. I might just out go home. And that's going to turn into 2-3 days. No. We don't do that while we're out here. That's for the streets. Man. A Sulphur Spring load, that would have been a really good load, but it's heavy, 44,000 pounds. We ain't doing that. This load I'm on, this load is 42,000. And I sure as hell ain't doing no 40. Cleveland to Decatur, Illinois. No. Now y'all see that? Cleveland to Decatur. A little bit blurry. Maybe y'all can't see that, but that's paying $6 a mile. It's going 230 miles. Wait, it's going 455 miles, paying $2,850, weighs 44,000 pounds. So that's a good load, but too heavy. Now don't get me wrong, Illinois is a good place to be though, so it's not that I'm just not taking it because it's too heavy, and I want to go south. Nebraska, 315 that in there. Magnolia, Texas. Let me see. So we got this one 4,000. We got that one for 4,000 pounds. $4,000. And it's only 20,000 pounds. It's going to Magnolia, Texas. Deadhead is 50 miles. I'm dropping my load off in Macedonia, Ohio, so 56 miles, 57.5 miles down the road. So that one may not be a bad one. Let me see if it's a direct agent. No, it's not a direct agent. So that load most likely not there because it's not a direct agent. Yeah. So that load most likely not there because it's not a direct agent. So on to the next. People out here doing things, and on to the next. It really is gonna be harder to find something, I can already tell. So pick up tomorrow, drop on the 31st, so 28th, 29th, just for 560 miles. That's a little bit too long of a wait, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why I'm needing something that's gonna ride me through. Man, look at this condo money. That's exactly where I'm going to. That's where I'm at right now. Deadhead mile, 0 mile right here. 39,000 pounds. Going to tennis. Oh, it's going down south. Boy, what's up? How many pounds? 39,000 pounds. Hazmat load. Let me see. How many loads coming out of there? Oh shit, boy, they gotta see that industry load. Not just one, there's more. Oh yeah, it's the same agent. Yeah, okay. They're obviously trying to move that load pretty good. Now if y'all notice this, now you see how the price keep going up? You see at 43, 46, 47, yeah, they be doing that. 48, 5,000. What that means is that they didn't find nobody to bite, so they got to go up a little bit. That's pretty cool. Okay. So obviously there's a little bit of load coming out of Tennessee. The only down part of Tennessee is there's some kind of bridge that is down over there in Tennessee, and I don't really want to go F around there right now and get stuck. You know what I'm saying? Because I know the bridge is on 40, but this would have been a good load, good paying load, $5 a mile, 2,500, 499 miles. You all know how that goes. You know what? Just for the heck of it, since that's what this video is about, let's see if they'll pick up. Let's just see if they'll pick up. that man.
This is Patrice. Your phone call is very important to me. So leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day.
No, sir. No answer there. So, alright, so that's try 3 times, succeeded once. Yes, sir. Fremont, California. That one is too far north. Hamilton don't go up that far in California no more, man. That's too far north. But I searched for $870. I can probably talk them to get me like about $1,400 and that. 25,000 pounds, 9,800 miles is the dead head. Going to Fremont, California. If anybody want to go to Fremont, California, here's a load for you, man. So line haul is $53.80, but then that the fuel, so your total is $62. And obviously, let's see. Once you get to Cali, I don't know about the part of Cali, but this is what you're looking at once you get out of Cali. All right, don't be looking too much. I don't want y'all in my pocket like. Yeah, I said it. I don't want y'all in my pocket like that. Don't be looking too hard. Don't look too hard, but damn it, boy. Oh, wait, mama. Damn it, boy. Damn it, boy. Lord is my witness, I say. I don't think we're going to get any luck with this late night load, man, because it does make sense. 8 o'clock. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wake up early tomorrow. I'm going to wake up early tomorrow, get something. Because like I was saying earlier, in the video you're going to see before this, by the way, I'm going to do a video dump, man. I'm trying to get to like 20 videos, and I'm going to just dump it on y'all all I want. So that's the plan. That's the move. 10, 20 videos, make them public all at once. So I'm going to go probably for 2-3 weeks without dropping any YouTube videos. I'm also going to try to slow down my presence on Snapchat as well. But follow me on Snapchat, man. I will still be posting stuff, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know, if I'm going to dump some video on y'all, I want y'all to watch the video so I can get our $2 from YouTube. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anyways, y'all seen the load, the money. See, that's the beautiful thing about being up here, man. A whole lot of money, but damn it, boy. Having to navigate through that Delaware to Ohio, it ain't easy, but you too. Hold on, you know what? Just so I can mess with y'all psychologically, I'm gonna let you get a glimpse one more time. Just take a quick glance of this money. Oh my goodness. All right. That's from Ohio now. So let's just click on the Cali. On the Cali. I know that's what some of y'all worrying about is the Cali money. Lord, I literally was just there. Ooh, wee. 7. Oh. Look, man, don't hate your job. Don't hate your job, baby. Don't hate me. I ain't trying to tease you, but don't hate me like that. All right, that's enough. Don't hate me, man. Hey, don't hate me. Don't hate me, man. Just where we at. All right, man. So, obviously, we ain't successful. And I'm tired, too, so I'm not going to try more than 3-4 times, you know, so. You know what the deal is, the baddest man in the land, whole mama, there goes that man. You too, my videos are real, my videos are raw, my videos are authentic. You can't talk trucking without putting Chasing Mr. Hamilton in the YouTube. I'm out.